Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between fixed assets and liquid assets. Fixed assets are long-term resources like property or equipment that a company uses for years to generate revenue. These are tangible or intangible long-term assets used in a business's operations with a useful life of more than 1 year. Examples of fixed assets include machinery, buildings, land, patents, and goodwill. On the other hand, liquid assets are easily converted into cash with minimal loss of value and are used for short-term needs, with cash itself being the most liquid asset. These are assets that can be quickly and easily converted into cash without a significant loss in value. Examples of liquid assets include cash, checking and savings accounts, money market accounts, and marketable securities. So, let's look into the basic differences between fixed assets and liquid assets in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Fixed assets are long-term tangible items used in operations, whereas liquid assets are short-term items easily convertible into cash. Number 2. Fixed assets have a useful life of more than 1 year, whereas liquid assets generally have a holding period of less than 1 year. Number 3. Fixed assets are difficult to convert into cash quickly, whereas liquid assets can be converted into cash easily, often within 90 days. Number 4. Fixed assets are subject to depreciation, whereas liquid assets are not subject to depreciation. Number 5. Fixed assets are valued at cost minus depreciation, whereas liquid assets are valued at the lower of cost or market value. Number 6. Fixed assets typically require long-term financing or capital investment, whereas liquid assets are usually financed using short-term funds. Number 7. A revaluation reserve is created when a fixed asset appreciates, whereas no revaluation reserve is created for liquid assets. Number 8. Fixed assets support long-term production and revenue generation, whereas liquid assets support short-term liquidity and emergency financial needs. Number 9. Fixed assets include land, buildings, and machinery, whereas liquid assets include cash, receivables, and marketable securities. And difference number 10. Fixed assets affect long-term company valuation and competitiveness, whereas liquid assets affect short-term solvency and financial stability. So, these are the differences between fixed assets and liquid assets. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.